to make apple cider vinegar and honey hair mask for hair growth. Combine 3 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of water, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a bowl until you get a smooth mixture. Now, apply the mask to your hair and scalp, and leave it in for 15 minutes. Then, wash off with cool or lukewarm water and shampoo. For best results, use this honey hair mask once in a week. How apple cider vinegar and honey hair mask helps in hair growth. Apple cider vinegar is a hair care remedy that many people swear by. There is a lot of anecdotal evidence of apple cider vinegar stimulating hair growth, although there is little to no scientific research on it. A study done in Palestine showed that the vinegar from apple acts as a hair cleanser and reduces split ends, hair loss, balding, dandruff, lice, scalp acne, and scabies. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.